Hello everyone, welcome to another quick video in the Monster Paws yard starring BullDozer. Look at that, he's trying to get a battle right now, one-on-one. It's just me and him out here. See that? Yeah, he's trying to get it. Oh, alright. Let's get it then. Let's get it. Alright, sick him right away. Sick him, boy. He just loves it. I already lost, but he just likes, you know, going at it, so. Sick him, boy. Good job, good job. I'm gonna try to hold on, see if I can. He's gonna regrip. I'm gonna try to regrip myself. Get in front of this knot right here. Oh, he took it. All right. Hey, give me a new. All right, so he's giving me that little section right there. Come on, put it in. Put it in my hand. All right, that's me right there. I'm locked on. Let's get it. I'm gonna start shaking my hand too, give him some competition on that sick him. Oh, all right, so I'm down on, now I got on one knee. I'm gonna give him a good shaking too. So here we go. Sick him. He's getting tired. Sick him. Oh. I can feel it, he's getting tired, but he don't want to give up. I think I'm gonna swing him one time. He really likes that, and then just call it. Try to settle him down. So let's give him around. Up, down. Good boy. That's good. That was a good one. Good boy. He still wants to keep going, but we're just gonna leave it at that for tonight.